Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use OBS in Google Meet. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then download this OBS. So you can download installer or download it directly using your Mac or your Windows. So once done, you can now open by going to the search bar and then type OBS. But first, you have to run this as administrator. So once you run this as administrator, and then you can open this. Okay. And then after that, you can now open your Google Meet. So once you're on your Google Meet, what you're going to do is you have to locate the settings. Okay, so you have to click this gear icon right here to set or to do some changes with the microphone, with the video. So all you have to do is to click this gear icon or settings here on your Google Meet. So once you tap this, and then you have to locate for the video option or the video feature. So let me tap allow this one first. Okay, go back to settings, and then you will see this video. Tap this one. Now click this arrow facing down and then tap OBS. So you have to choose OBS if you want OBS or if you want to use OBS in your Google Meet. Now click this new meeting, and then you will see that once you tap this insert meeting right here, as you can see, it's joining, and you will see that you're using the OBS here in your Google Meet. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.